Frogs are nature's jumping ninjas, but why? Hi, it's me and welcome to my channel. When you hear the word ninja, you might think of a Japanese trained martial artist who does parkour, has really cool weapons, and can defeat an entire army of bad guys all by himself. And just like a ninja, frogs can leap great distances in a single bound, navigate complex environments with ease, and disappear into the water with a splash. So frogs are nature's little ninjas. But why? Well, it all comes down to their unique anatomy. Frogs are built for jumping. Their bodies are like coiled springs ready to launch them into the air. They have long, powerful legs that act like pistons, pushing them forward with incredible force. And don't forget their webbed feet, which help them steer in the air and on the water. But their jumping skills wouldn't be possible without their specialized bones. You see, frogs have something called an unossified rib cage. Unlike most other animals, their ribs aren't connected to their spine, giving them the flexibility to expand their rib cage up to 50% more than other animals. This extra flexibility allows them to store more energy while jumping. It's kind of like stretching a rubber band. The more you stretch it, the more potential energy it stores. But when they release that stored energy, frogs can jump really high and really far. Some species can jump over 20 times their body length in a single leap. That's like you jumping over 75 feet in one bound. And they can also jump up to 39 inches or about a meter into the air. That's two-footed jumping, folks, not pogo sticking. But why would they need such powerful legs? Well, it all comes down to survival. You see, frogs live in a variety of habitats, from shallow waters to rainforests to deserts. And their jumping abilities help them adapt to these different environments. For example, frogs use jumping to find new ponds and puddles to breed in. And their leaping skills help them escape predators. When a frog jumps, it leaves its footprints in the water, confusing predators trying to follow it. Plus, their webbed feet make it hard for predators to catch them in shallow water. And when they're on land, frogs use their long, sticky tongues to catch tasty insects. Now, some people might think that frogs only eat bugs, but that's not true. There are even some frogs that eat small fish, and even other frogs. Speaking of frogs, there are over 7,000 species of frogs around the world, and they come in all shapes and sizes. The smallest frog is the Paedophryne amawensis, which is found in the mountains of Papua New Guinea. These tiny frogs are only about the size of a dime, and they can't even hop. Instead, they have to wiggle their bodies like a caterpillar to get around. On the other hand, the biggest frog is the Goliath frog, which lives in the forests of Cameroon and Nigeria. These giant frogs can grow to be over 13 inches long and weigh more than 7 pounds. That's bigger than a basketball. No matter what their size though, all frogs have the same basic features. They have moist, smooth skin that helps them breathe. They have bulging eyes that help them see predators coming. And they have long, powerful legs that help them jump really far. Some frogs also have special adaptations that help them survive in their environment. For example, the red-eyed tree frog has webbed feet that help it swim in the water. And its big, bulging eyes help it see predators coming from above. And then there's the glass frog, which has transparent undersides that allow it to camouflage against the ground. Frogs are amazing creatures, and they play an important role in our ecosystem. Not only are they super cool to look at, but they're also a good indicator of environmental health. If there are lots of frogs in an area, it means that the ecosystem is healthy. But if there are fewer frogs, it could mean that the environment is in trouble. So next time you see a frog, take a minute to appreciate its unique adaptations and all the ways it survives in our world. And remember, frogs are nature's jumping ninjas. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe for more fun science videos. And if you want to learn more about frogs, check out the links below.